In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add phone number in Google Meet PC. To begin, open your web browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to your Google account personal information page. Now make sure you sign in with the same Google account you use for Google Meet. After you sign in, the page will load with your account details. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Contact Info. In this section, find the area for phone, and then click on it. From there, you will usually see a choice such as adding a recovery phone, or you may see an existing phone number displayed. If you have not added one before, choose the option that says Add Recovery Phone. If you already have a phone listed and you want to update it, click your existing number. At this point, follow the on-screen steps carefully. You will be prompted to type in your phone number. After you enter the number, proceed to the next step where Google will verify your phone. Google will send a verification code to your phone via text message. Look at your phone to find the message from Google that includes the code. Now return to your computer and enter the verification code in the space provided on the screen. Google will usually accept the code once it matches what it sent. Once that is done, you can close the page or continue reviewing your contact and recovery settings if you want. That covers everything you need to know.